A very good day. Before I start my presentation, I would like to ask you a question. How many of you are still sending a letter via a postal services? None of you, right? Yes. The technology has improved such a way that we are using email, Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, and etc. to communicate in faster way. This is what we call evolution. The same way happened to our fiat currency and it's going through evolution, and that's what cryptocurrency. To put it short, I would say cryptocurrency is a digital currency. The first cryptocurrency was created in year 2018 and launched in 2019 by Satoshi Nakamoto, named Bitcoin. In the year 2010, the rate of one Bitcoin was just 0.10 cents USD. After 10 years now, in the year of 2020, the value is more than 9,000 USD per Bitcoin. That shows how fast the cryptocurrency is growing. At the moment now, there are more than 5,000 over cryptocurrencies in the world. What makes this cryptocurrency so special? There are many reasons, of course, but I would like to share with you some main reasons. Number one, it's running under a blockchain technology. No updation, alteration, changes can be done over the transaction. Every new data will be gathered as a new blocks and linked together as a chain, and anyone can view that transaction in any point of time. That means it is a fraud proof. Number two, it is decentralized. Look at the root word central. Decentralized is the right opposite of centralized. When it is centralized, all our ledger will be controlled by one entity. Like the banks, when we have many banks, there will be one central bank will control the entire ledgers. But here, it is called decentralized. That means we will manage our own ledger with our own crypto wallets. There are a lot of smart contracts in the cryptocurrency. When you say smart contracts, what is smart contracts? It is the rules created on the blockchain. There are tons of applications running under the smart contracts in blockchain technology. There you go. I'm here to share with you a smart contract application to earn Ethereum. Before that, what is Ethereum? Ether or ETH. Ethereum is a second leading cryptocurrency in the world with very high potential. Currently, one Ethereum valued at 240 USD. The forecasts are it may increase 5 to 9 times by the next year. So, those who are rich can buy Ethereum in bulk and sell it next year to make more money. The question is, how many of us can buy Ethereum in bulk, which I believe reasonably expensive for normal people? That's where I found this Mindtree crowdfunding program is really a breakthrough. Let's look at it. Number one, we need to have an Android phone. Number two, we need to install Trust Wallet in our Android phone. Number three, we need to have 0.09 ETH in our wallet. Once you have these three qualifications, you need to have a referral ID. This referral ID you can obtain from your introducer to this program. Okay, let's look at it, how it works. Alright, now when you look at it, Mindtree crowdfunding program, you want to join in this program. First, you will join the program using the referral ID from the introducer. The introducer will be your first upper line partner. Say this is you and this is your first upline partner. You will pay the first upline partner 0.07 ETH to join this program. When you join this program, you will be automatically in level 1. After you join the program, you will recruit two partners to work with you. Each of them will pay 0.07 ETH to you. When each of the two people will pay 0.07 ETH, you'll be earning 0.14 ETH. From 0.14 ETH, to earn more, what you will do, you will level up. When you level up, you have to pay 0.12 ETH to the second level upline, and you have to pay 0.12 to the second level upline. Once you pay second level upline, you will automatically become level 2. You become level 2. When you climb up to level 2, what will happen? Here, look at it, at your downline. This is your first level downline and this is your second level downline. This your first level downline will recruit 2 partners under them and each of them will put 2. Then they have 4 downline under these 2. These 4 people will pay 0.12 to you because they will buy, when they buy level 2, will come to their second level upline is you. You will be earning 4 times. When look at it very clearly, one time you pay 0.12 to become level 2. But here 4 people will pay you 0.12. Total up you'll be earning 0.48 Ethereum at this level. You already earned 0.48 Ethereum in this level and what you have to do? You have to level up to level 3. From this you pay 0.24 Ethereum. You pay 0.24 to level up to level 3 and this level up, then what will happen? That money 0.24 will go to 1, 2, 3, the third level upper line. You pay 0.24. When you pay 0.24 to this person and you already become level 3, you already open an opportunity for you to earn from how many people here? Here is 4 people. Here we have total 8 people. These 8 people, when look at it, they are 1, 2, 3. Third level downline for you. These 8 people will pay how much? 8 times 0.24 to you. When look at it very clearly, you pay how much? 0.24 for your third level upline to obtain level 3 and open an opportunity for you to earn from 8 people 0.24 Ethereum, which is equivalent to 1.92 Ethereum. Okay, this is the system, this is the plan where you open a good opportunity for you to make. When look at it, when this is level 3, you pay 0.24, you earn from 8 people. You pay one time, you earn from 8 people. Again, from there, you pay 0.96 to obtain level 4. From level 4, when you obtain level 4, there under these people will be 16 people. The 16 people will pay 0.96 to you. You pay one time 0.96 Ethereum and you are earning from 16 people 0.96 Ethereum, which is 15.36 Ethereum. And then from there, you pay 3 Ethereum to obtain level 5. And you are earning from 32 people 3 Ethereum each, which is 96 Ethereum. And then from 96 Ethereum, you just pay 10 Ethereum to obtain level 6. From the level 6, 64 people will pay you 10 Ethereum each. In total up on level 6, you will earn 640 Ethereum. Total up in the first, what we call is foundation. In the foundation, we will be earning 739 Ethereum. Alright, you get 739 Ethereum. And you must understand, this is, we call entire system is a foundation and it will last for 77 days. Alright. Now let's say we already complete this foundation. Is that the only income we're gonna earn? No. As I said, every 77 days when you renew, you're opening opportunity to earn back whatever you're earning. That means that income is continuous. Okay, from there, we already earned 739 Ethereum as first cycle. What we'll do, from here, we'll take 20 Ethereum. 20 Ethereum, only 20 Ethereum to join premium. You'll upgrade yourself to premium where you pay 20 Ethereum to reach level 1 in premium. And those people who have followed you and already made money will follow you in the premium also. They will pay each 20 Ethereum and join you as a level 1 under you. From the 20 Ethereum each, you earn 40 Ethereum. From 40 Ethereum, you pay 30 Ethereum to level up to level 2. From 30 Ethereum, downline, people downline, this level, 4 people will pay you 30 Ethereum, which is under 20 Ethereum you earn in level 2. From under 20, you'll pay 40 Ethereum for level 3, and 8 people will pay you 40 Ethereum. That's how it goes until 6th level. At the 6th level, you'll earn 15,360 Ethereum. Total sum in premium, you'll earn 20,130 Ethereum. Once you complete this, there's another cycle, we call it Elite. That from this Ethereum you earn, you're gonna pay 100 Ethereum to join, and the system just follow like how the entire cycle, and you'll earn about 167,150 Ethereum. Here, I would like to tell what we need to do first is we have to focus on foundation and premium first. Once you make money from this, every 77 days cycle, we're gonna make money, and we're gonna make extra Ethereum when people under us, when they never renew or they never level up. Say about you are here, and this person, one particular person, never level up or never renew. From here, third level of him, there will be 8 people. These 8 people's money, Ethereum, will go to you, because after 1, 2, 3, he never level up or still in level 2. That Ethereum will go to you. That means you open up more opportunity to make Ethereum. That's how the entire system in Mindtree crowdfunding program is working. It's really helpful, and it's a really good opportunity for us to make enough Ethereum and become rich in upcoming years. Thank you very much.